Hello viewers, so today I'm going to tell you how to change Wi-Fi settings on your LiftMaster Garage door opener. This method is helpful particularly if you change your Wi-Fi router or change SSID on your router. First grab a ladder and go to the garage door opener motor. Warning, climb ladder slowly and use both hands. Locate the light cover as shown by the red arrow. Pull down the light cover as shown by the red circle. Find the black adjustment button located between two arrows. Press and hold the button on the garage door opener until all the button lights turn off. Find the yellow learn button. Press and release this button 3 times. Look for the blinking blue light and listen for the beep. You should have heard the beep from your ceiling mounted garage door opener. Your garage door opener is now successfully connected to your new router. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like and share this video.